Running from police is illegal and extremely dangerous. These situations put not only the rider at risk, but also innocent people on the road. Do not do it.
I'm about to turn left. I'm about to turn left right here. He's still following. He's still following. He's still following. Still following. He's still. Yeah. For sure. Yo, this is a one-way turn right. Oh, I don't have much gas, I don't think.
Everybody get their driver's license out.
For what?
Because I'm stopping all of you.
For what?
For the excessive noise. I'm not gonna lecture you guys like your children. All right, but I'm gonna give one quick speech. Every one of you is gonna be getting a ticket. Chances are what my answer is gonna be, each of you can go to court and explain to the judge that it wasn't you. I heard you guys from our station. That's what made me start driving this way. Then, I'm about a block away, and I hear it again. I don't need to interview every one of you to find out who it was. But like I said, I'm not going to stand here and lecture you. I'm just explaining to you what's going on and why it's being done. Okay. Thank you.
I have to start these off.
Okay.
It's brand new, makes no noise.
It makes no noise. I hear noise. Okay, that was what, 3,000 RPMs? How about when it gets up to about 17? I heard the bike's hitting the rev limiter.
That doesn't mean it was his.
You're right. I don't care exactly whose it was. Y'all
So
can talk
you're
to
giving
the
us
judge.
all
Here, I'll make a deal with you guys. Whoever revved, admit it. I'll just take you to jail and tow your bike. Nobody else will.
What?
Oh, that's weird. Nobody wants to take the blame for it. Be sending everything in the mail to you guys. I'm not going to make you sit here and wait. So that's why I had to make sure that all of your addresses were up to date.
Okay, I have to add my opinion on this clip. I think this officer overreacted a bit. He heard motorcycle but did not even witness who was revving. And the whole group got tickets. When he said that he was going to put someone in jail and tow the bike if anyone admitted it, I think that's too much. This biker said that he will definitely fight this ticket in court. And I want to see your opinion on it. Please comment down below. This biker didn't notice in time that cops were trying to pull him over, so he kept riding for several miles before realizing it. He said that he recently bought the bike and it came without mirrors. Having them on would definitely save him from getting arrested.
Yeah, just so you don't take off, brother.
I'm not taking off. The keys out of the
Go ahead,
bike.
hop off the bike. Take the backpack off, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Because, dude, you're getting under arrested. What do you mean for what?
Under arrest for
You're
what?
driving 130, dude. You're doing over 120. Come on. What do you mean for what? You think that's not reckless? Did you not notice me ever? Go ahead, take off your gloves, dude.
If I knew you were behind me, I would have stopped you. I didn't know you were behind me.
Go put your hands behind your back, man. I'm gonna put you back in the car, okay? anything on you, brother? Any weapons, anything like that?
No.
No.
It's a nice bike. BMW. Guessing this guy knows how to ride.
No.
His camera may be on, it may not be on. I'll wait on the property because I don't know if we're going to leave that on the bike or they're going to take it off and take it with his stuff or whatever they're going to do with them.
Oh, we'd probably take the camera with. Sounds like they're just gonna side him out.
For the reckless?
I think so.
And then just take the bike and make him walk?
Yep.
This is the kind of encounter I wish everyone has with police. This biker was respectful, and he got respect back. I've said it many times. If you are polite and respectful and you pull over immediately, even after doing something wrong, most of the time they will let you go just with a warning.
How's it going?
Evening, officer. How you doing?
You doing all right, man?
Yeah. May I ask why you stopped me? I'm kind of confused.
Yeah, I was just gonna check on you because you're going back and forth.
Oh, no. I was just kind of like.
If you're all right, or
No, I'm all good.
or what was up? So I was just gonna stop and check on you.
Oh, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Can I shake your hand? I appreciate you.
You got an ID?
Yes, sir. I got everything.
See, please.
Of course.
I appreciate you pulling over.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just in the zone, you know.
Yeah.
The weather's nice and everything.
No, you.
My wallet is in my backpack.
Yes, sir. That's okay.
I am armed, but it's not in my backpack. It's on my right side, and I have a license.
As long as it stays where it's at, mine stays where
I
it's
got you. I got
How's
you. But yeah, I was just kind of like, the weather's nice and the wind was blowing through my helmet.
All right.
Here's my license, and this is my license to carry.
Awesome. Thank you,
Uh-huh,
sir. I
of course.
appreciate it. Hey, yeah, let me run everything.
Sure, yeah, go ahead,
I'll be
yeah.
back with you, okay?
Go ahead, no problem.
you.
Thank you much.
Once again, I do appreciate you pulling over.
Of course, yeah, I know how bikers can be with you guys, especially since your state.
Yes, I mean, everyone
But-
knows we're going to chase, right?
Yeah, but I'm not like that, you know.
No, I do appreciate it, man. Hey,
Yeah.
you be safe tonight.
Thank you much, appreciate you.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Seen you sitting up here, figured I'd come talk to you.
Yeah, what's up?
You guys don't like the dirt bikes or what?
Nah, I mean, as long as it's street legal and you're not, like, you're driving it recklessly, at that point it's fine.
Okay.
Is it registered?
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's not. Were you over there, like, kind of hopping that hill?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
The whole group of bikers got pulled over after cops received multiple calls about them allegedly riding recklessly on the highway. The sheriff was looking for them, and once he spotted them, he immediately took action.
Who's he pulling over?
How you doing?
What's up?
Hey, can you take your helmet off?
Yeah, did I do anything wrong?
Huh?
Did I do anything wrong?
Did you do anything wrong?
Yeah.
You guys are reckless driving. And I'll talk to you all about that as a group, so I don't have to explain it a bunch of times.
Okay.
I wasn't really changing lanes or anything, but
I can't hear you, man, with that thing on.
I said I wasn't really changing lanes or anything. I maintained my lane in the left.
Yeah. I'm not just talking about right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you have your registration and your license on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
No weapons. You can leave your helmet in your bag right here. My bag? Oh, my bag? I can leave my bag. It's not my helmet.
You don't trust your helmet, or you just want to have it recorded the whole time?
Huh? Oh, yeah, that too.
Yeah.
My safety, your safety.
Yeah, that's a funny one.
Funny line? Well, you guys say it all the time.
All of us here have cameras, and I got a dash cam. So.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to explain to y'all all at one time why y'all got pulled over, okay? So, all the way basically from through here, all those jurisdictions have been getting calls on you guys for reckless driving, okay? So when y'all came through here, obviously I located you, I found you, I saw a couple of y'all splitting traffic, not using turn signals, driving up the middle, which I think she was kind of talking to some of y'all about to begin with. I totally get it, right? It's bikes, it's fun, it's beautiful weather, but traffic is heavy. You know, one of y'all goes down, and now all of a sudden you're probably not going to live because somebody's going to squish your head, right? And then somebody's got to live with that on their conscience as well. Like, oh no, it wasn't my fault, but I still killed somebody. That's a bad day for you and a bad day for them, right? So We also don't want to cause any more hazards out here. When people having accidents, whether y'all getting hurt or somebody else. All right, so that's why we're here today. That makes sense? That makes sense. And half of y'all don't even have license plates on y'all bikes, which you can't do that. All right. I do appreciate y'all pulling over. Thank you for not fleeing. That would have caused a lot of more issues and a lot more paperwork for me. All right. So you will get some breaks because of that. Does that make sense? All right. Do y'all have any questions for me?
In the end, after waiting around 40 minutes on the side of the road, only 3 bikers got tickets for missing plates, while the others were let go. Group rides are always hectic. You will always have riders who show off and attract unnecessary attention from the police. This biker had a tense encounter with a police officer who pulled him over because of his license plate.
How you doing?
Good. Well, can I
driver's license?
I gotta turn my music off.
Stop it for your tagging for the 4th time I need your driver's license. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. My apologies.
Bike registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Are you deaf?
No, sir.
Where you can't have your tag like that, so people need to see it. The earbuds are no good. The muffler's no good. The tag's no good. I could go on with this bike, but this is scary. And I would tell you that most of this stuff, if you drive by me, it doesn't bother me. This nonsense, these are guys who run. The $1,200 ticket if you want.
I definitely don't want that, sir.
Points on your license, too.
I also don't want that, sir.
We're good.
This biker ran 2 red lights, thinking he made it through on yellow. And to be fair, this cop gave him a solid advice.
Morning.
Morning, sir. How you doing?
Doing good. I'm Officer McCrary, Rockwall Police Department.
Nice to meet you.
You're being contacted is your light, the light back there. Take a look at your driver's license.
It was yellow. I don't think I ran it, though.
The second one was yellow. The first one wasn't, though.
Oh, okay. I could have sworn it was yellow.
You're on a motorcycle. I wouldn't even take the chance. Not even on a yellow.
Oh, yeah. No, you're right. You're right. No, it's definitely risky, but...
Yeah, you're the loser in that crash.
For sure, but I'm on my way to school, actually, in Wiley. And I have class at 11. That's my driver's license, and then this is my license to carry. Wiley.
Do me a favor and be careful, okay?
I appreciate it, boss. Thank you much.